Hello, everybody. Welcome to a new week. The objectives of today's lesson are to identify specific and general information about text and also to identify vocabulary about meals. Okay, so let's start with the lesson. Okay, so I need that you please open your student books on page 88 because we're going to start with the reading part. First, we're going to read the menu of Zoe's Cafe, because this is a restaurant, okay? We can see here in the picture a boy and a girl, a woman and a man, and a waitress, okay? Waitress in Spanish is mesera, okay? So let's start reading the menu first. Our starters, which are platos de entrada, are potato salad, salad, tuna fish, and tomato, and vegetable soup. Our main courses, which in Spanish is platos principales, steak, pasta with tomato sauce, fish and chips, hamburger and chips, chicken and tomato sandwich, and jacket potato. Okay? Or desserts, which in Spanish is nuestros postres. Ice cream per scoop, vanilla, strawberry, lemon, and chocolate. And our drinks, fruit juice, orange or apple, cola, coffee, tea, and water. Okay, so now we're going to do activity number 2. Read and listen to the dialogue. What doesn't Jack like? That is the first question that we have to answer. Okay, so let's start with the reading. The waitress says, "Hello, Anna, hi. Waitress, would you like a table for two?" Anna, yes, please. Waitress, here are the menus. 2 minutes later, the waitress says, "Are you ready to order?" Anna, "For me, the potato salad, please, and then the pasta with tomato sauce." The waitress says, "Okay, and what would you like to drink?" Anna, "A cola, please." The waitress said again, "Okay, and what would you like?" Jack says, "I'd like the tuna salad, please, but without the tomatoes." The waitress says, "I'm sorry, the salads are ready. We can take the tomatoes out." I see, says Jack. "I don't like tomatoes. I'd like the vegetable soup then." And the waitress says, "Excellent. And for the main course, I'd like fish and chips, please. A cola too." The waitress says, "Lovely." 1 hour later, Jack says, "We'd like the bill, please." The waitress answers, "Of course, everything okay?" Jack, "Great, thanks." The waitress, "Thanks very much. Here's your bill." Bill in Spanish, chiquillos, es la cuenta. Anna says, "Thank you." Okay, so what doesn't Jack like? The answer is, what do you think? ¿Qué es lo que no le gustaba a Jack, chiquillos? The answer is the tomatoes. I don't like tomatoes, okay? And now we're going to do activity 3. Read the dialogue again. What does Anna eat? What does Jack eat? So I need that you please stop the video now and look for the answers in the text. And then we're going to check together. Did you finish? Great. So now let's check. The first question says, what does Anna eat? The answer is the potato salad and the pasta with tomato sauce, and to drink a cola. And what does Jack eat? The answer is the vegetable soup and fish and chips with a cola too. That is the answer. Very good. Okay, so let's continue with activity 4. Who says these things in a restaurant? Write W, waiter or waitress, or C, customer in the boxes. En esta actividad, niños, vamos a leer distintas preguntas, respuestas y oraciones en general que una persona realiza en un restaurante, ¿ok? Y las vamos a clasificar en dos. Vamos a colocar una W si la pregunta u oración la dice el mesero o mesera, waiter, mesero, waitress, mesera, or así, o vamos a colocar una C si la pregunta u oración la dice el cliente. Okay, so let's do the activity together. The example number 0 says, "Can I help you?" That question is W. The answer is W. La respuesta era W porque esa pregunta la hace el mesero o mesera. Can I help you? ¿Le puedo ayudar? ¿O le puedo ayudar? Number 1. A table for 2, please. What do you think? Waiter or waitress or customer? The answer is a table for 2, customer, letter C, customer. Number 2. Here are the menus. Who says that? The customer or the waitress? Here are the menus. Letter W, the waitress in this case. Aquí están los menús. Eso lo dice la mesera o mesero. Number 3. Are you ready to order? What do you think? Letter C or W? The answer is W. Are you ready to order? ¿Están listos para ordenar? Number 4. What would you like to drink? What would you like to drink? Letter C or letter W? The answer is letter W. Number 5. I'd like the vegetable soup then. What do you think? The answer is letter C. The customer, el cliente, dice una frase así, chiquillos. Number 6. Can we have the bill, please? Can we have the bill? What do you think? Customer or waitress? Letter C, customer. Very good. And number 7, would you like dessert? That it's W. The waitress or waiter, says that. Very good. And now we're going to continue with the second part of the lesson, which is vocabulary. Vocabulary about meals. Meals, comidas, las distintas comidas que uno ingiere en el día. Generalmente son 3, ¿cierto? Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Breakfast, desayuno, lunch, almuerzo, and dinner, cena u once. Recordemos que nosotros en Chile, la mayoría de las personas tomamos once, se dice, pero hay otras personas que también cenan, ¿ok? Para ambos, dinner is the correct word. Okay, so let's start with activity 1. Match the words in the list to the items in the picture. Write 1 to 9 in the boxes, okay? So here we have a table with different kinds of food, and the idea is that you match the word with the picture. It is very easy. So the words are bread, butter, cereal, egg, fruit, honey, jam, toast, and yogurt. Okay, and number 1, bread, is letter E. That is the example. So I need that you please stop the video now, stop the video, and do the activity. Did you finish? Excellent. So let's check now. Number 2, Butter. What do you think? Letter? Sí, very good. That is the butter, mantequilla, chiquillos. Number 3, cereal. What do you think? Letter A, correct. Cereal in Spanish, cereal. Number 4, egg. The correct letter is I. Letter I, egg, huevo. Number 5, fruit. What do you think? Letter B, very good. Fruta. Number 6, honey. What do you think? Letter G, very good. In Spanish, miel. Number 7, jam. What do you think? Letter F, very good. Mermelada. Number 8, toast. Letter H, excellent. Tostada. And number 9, yogurt. Letter D, of course, very good. And in Spanish, yogurt. Excellent. Okay, so now we're going to continue with activity 2. Copy the table into your notebook and complete it. Then tell the class. Okay, so the idea of this activity is that you copy this table in your notebooks and you have to complete it. Okay, so you're going to say, for example, what do you always eat for breakfast? What do you always eat for breakfast? What do you often eat for breakfast? Sometimes and never eat for breakfast. Lo que van a hacer, chiquillos, entonces en esta actividad es copiar esta tabla en sus cuadernos y van a completarla con la información que se les pide. ¿Qué es la información que se les pide? Acá podemos ver 3 indicadores que son desayuno, almuerzo y cena. Y luego podemos ver acá los adverbios de frecuencia que nos indican siempre, a menudo, a veces y nunca. Lo que ustedes deben escribir en estos casilleros es lo que ustedes siempre comen al desayuno, a veces comen al desayuno, perdón, a menudo comen al desayuno, a veces comen al desayuno y nunca comen al desayuno. Lo mismo con el almuerzo y con la cena. Lo que siempre como al almuerzo, lo que a menudo como en el almuerzo, lo que a veces como en el almuerzo y lo que nunca como en el almuerzo. So I'm going to start giving my examples. Okay, so for the first one, I'm going to say always, I always eat bread and coffee. I always eat bread and coffee for breakfast. Then I'm going to say I often eat cereal for breakfast. Then I sometimes eat toasts and juice for breakfast. And I never eat bread with cheese for breakfast. Entonces la idea es que ustedes coloquen en los casilleros solamente el alimento. Por ejemplo, pan con queso o cereal. Solo colocan el alimento en el casillero y lo van completando con los alimentos que ustedes siempre, a menudo, a veces o nunca comen. Esta actividad la vamos a realizar en la clase del viernes en vivo, ¿ok? Así que espero muchos voluntarios para que me digan qué es lo que siempre, a menudo o a veces o nunca comen en sus comidas. ¿Ok? Very good. Okay, and this is the homework, activity 3 and 4 from page 85 of the workbook. In the first activity, activity 3, you have to find and circle 9 breakfast items in the word snake. Acá tenemos una serpiente con palabras y ustedes deben encontrar 9 palabras relacionadas al desayuno y encerrarlas en un círculo. And number 4, put the words in order to make sentences. So here we have different words, and the idea is that you order the words to form questions or sentences. La idea es que ustedes ordenen las palabras para crear preguntas o oraciones relacionadas a las comidas y todo eso. Okay? Very good. And that is the end of today's lesson. Remember to do your homework and see you this Friday in our online lesson, okay? Bye!